home all the way. Guardiola's side never changed their style, and the one team that in recent months had a go at Barcelona got some joy, and they came from the second division, Real Betis in the Copa del Rey. The game played in Seville. But Betis really went at Barcelona from the opening whistle. It was still a strong Barcelona lineup, not a full-strength side that so few dare to do, particularly here at the Camp Nou, fearing that they'd be on the end of a thrashing. But Zaragoza have found a little bit of form of late. They beat Athletic Bilbao last week. They've risen out of the bottom three, where they've been for most of the campaign. Let's see how they go here against the champions and league leaders. This is Maxwell. Xavi. Number of Barcelona changes, but key players like Messi and Xavi. Piqué here at the back, stay in. Mascherano. Here's Messi. Scorer of that all-important goal at Valencia in midweek, Lionel Messi, to take his tally of goals to a staggering 43, 27 of them in the league. This is Pedro.